Is it working? Is it working? Is it working? It is working. What's up, people? It is 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just waking up, actually. I got a short video to do. I know my hair looks crazy, right? I got the bed head and all that stuff. But it doesn't matter, because I wanted to check out Ethereum really quick and just see what is going on with that. But first, let me fix some things here. Of course, not very good at preparing. You know, like I said, I just kind of jumped into this really quick. Cancel and oh yeah, price There we go. Okay, now I've gotten some more things intact and in line. All right. So Ethereum has made this equal highs right here, right? This is good news. Anybody that knows smart money. So these equal highs, a lot of liquidity resting above this. Liquidity. Right. Everybody's thinking going short, right? Because of this, it's coming up. How many times has it bounced off of it? 1, 2, 3, right? The good news is that it's going to go right through it. Why? Because everybody's thinking to short it. So smart money is actually going to go through it. Now, I'm glad it didn't happen. What I thought was going to happen yesterday didn't happen. My second video that's actually going to be coming, or I think not really released, but on social media, I would say around 10 o'clock would be coming out. But I honestly thought last night that, let me see here if I can draw it. I think it was going up this way, and I thought I was going to come back down underneath these, right, in the order block, and then come back up. But I still thought I was going to come back up and be bullish. I just thought I was going to go lower first. However, it just looks like it decided to go higher first. So I'm glad that happened. And now that it's made equal highs, this has actually made me even happier. A lot of people look at this and they go, oh no, it's going to fall. Not me. I look at this and say, yes, this is good news. I'm just waiting for it to break. And then see what's going to happen for it after that, because now you have other liquidity draws, right? So it's going to be looking to break this high next. Let me see here. You can get a handle on this thing, which isn't higher than it, right? That's the current high, I think. Well, the current local high. And then after that, it's got some more highs to break. So I think it's on its way back up, or at least this part of it, right? It's gonna at least break this. I would say it's gonna do a pullback really quickly, because there's gonna be a lot of people that have their buy stops set right through here, right? So buy stops meaning long position, and they're probably gonna have their long position set right here, right? The very short stop loss. This is what they usually do. They usually have a very short stop loss because they think it's going to come through and then bounce off the top of this as a, because it breaks, support, or it breaks resistance, and then it hits support, and then it keeps on going. It's not how it works. This doesn't come be support as soon as it breaks it, right? It's going to take some time for it to become support. So it's going to break through it, right, and then pull back, and then take out all those people that think that, right? And there's also people that are doing this. They're shorting. I wish this thing would not do that at that time. They're shorting right around here, right? They also have a very short stop loss as well. They don't think that it's going to, get above here, right? Or get above the next high. So they'll think it's going to short, right? So then what typically happens is what smart money does. It goes through and then back down and then continues up. Generally what happens, right? Now, we shall see. But I'm just waiting for it to break through, and it should break through at any moment. See, right now what it's doing is it's selling off, and it's getting people to chase the sell. It's making people think, oh my god, it's gonna sell, because they're, you know, all these equal highs, it's hitting resistance, right? So sell, and then sooner or later it's gonna turn around and go right through these, and then hopefully do its little magic trick and pull through both of them, take out the people, the dumb money, as we should call it, the dumb money that thinks it's gonna be you know, either a buy stop that's going to have a short, you know, that's going to bounce off of it, or the people that have very short stop losses on shorts. Maybe near a short, yeah, get out now. It's the best I can tell you. I don't believe it's going to get any higher than, or I don't think it's going to drop. I really don't. Whenever I see equal highs like this, I mean, sometimes what happens is when you get equal highs like this is it does kind of fall off, right? And then it comes back to it and then breaks through it, but not a whole lot, especially when it's hovering around the high. Usually when it's, I mean, sometimes it'll come up, it'll touch the high, and then it'll drop. Usually that's what happens whenever, you know, you kind of see an equal high kind of type situation. But whenever it hits the high and it's starting to hover around it and it comes back up and hits it again, that's when you usually see it break through it. In my personal experience, just because that's where the liquidity is, and that's where it seeks, right? And again, I'm just trying to show you things that happen, you know, in the Forex world that are also happening in the crypto world, right? But they're both happening at the same time. You can say they're not happening, but I'm sorry, I just don't believe you, because I see it happen all the time in both markets. So it is what it is. See if there's anybody wanting a question. Nobody's watching, so it doesn't even matter. So anyways, I just wanted to bring that update to you guys. I got some things to do. It is 9:21 a.m. on Saturday morning. I want to say July 16th. Wow, we are nowhere near July yet. Jalilo. Is Jalilo a word? I don't know, but we're nowhere near there yet. But we are near Ethereum breaking the short-term high. I am excited for it because that means good things are coming. Yeah, until then, peace and chicken grease, and wear your pants, I guess. Just make sure you're, I mean, it is Saturday morning. You don't have to wear your pants, but you kind of should, I think.